Project and task creation. Self-onboarding. Learn how to create projects and tasks from scratch. These functions are exclusive to users with permission to create and edit projects and tasks. Create a new project. In the Projects section, click on the plus button. Name the project and assign it to a client. Choose project type, either blank or a previously created template. All these fields are mandatory. Click Next. In Basic Information, put a start and end date for the project. You can also set frequency. Add members who will be part of the process. In the Profitability tab, you must associate the project with an income. You can do this by entering a single amount or by selecting a fee according to your permissions. You also need to estimate the number of hours that the project will take. Click on Create Project. Create a new task. At the bottom, you will see a field where you can complete the task name. Click on the blue button on the right or press Enter to confirm the task creation.